have no idea where I'm going. Am I going down? All gates. Around. Where am I going? I have no idea where I'm going. Is this where I go? C23. This better be the right way. Yes. I'm so nervous right now. It's crazy.
Really, nigga? Really, nigga?
Should be fun. Well, we made it. Now I just gotta find my terminal. I think this might be right here. So it's like a little mall inside of the airport, basically. It's all types of restaurants, all types of places. This is crazy. So it looks like I'm heading to C23. Let's get it. This one is mine, C23.
Yes, sir.
I'm in my seat on the plane. Got my window, but I can't see nothing. Probably because it's a condensed.
And we're looking at right around 2-hour flight time with a bunch of weather in the middle of the country.
Come on now, dog.
Expect little bumps as we try and get around the north end of the storm.
Come on, man.
And right now some broken clouds down low in Denver. But that should be nice. Sit back, relax, enjoy your flight.
So they just gonna throw it in reverse. Okay. On this plane that it's their first time flying, because everybody else seemed calm. But this is crazy. I ain't never in my entire life.
Electronic devices must remain in game or airplane mode and may continue to be used or served within range.
Alright guys, I lost my wallet. I found my wallet. I've calmed down about losing my wallet. Where do I get my bag from?
So you have a connecting flight, or
Nah,
this is your last
this
destination? All right, so just go.
This is right here?
Yeah, just go straight on your right side.
That's what I'm talking about right here. I ain't trying to be walking. Hell to the no, I ain't trying to be walking. Look at that. I ain't never been on no flat escalator. It got me messed up. Thinking about just be standing still out here. Hell to the no. I'm trying to walk like the Flash. This must be how Michael Jackson did the damn moonwalk. So you gotta catch a train all the way to baggage claim? That's crazy. So we about to hop on this train, y'all. Go to baggage claim. See what the hell going on. Man, I ain't never held one of these things in my life. It's a damn subway. Boy, you had to ride a whole train to baggage claim. And then when you get down here, you gotta figure out which one of these carousels your bag is gonna be at. All right, y'all. So I'm here. I just had me an orange juice. Ooh, that plane ride was something else, man. But you know what? We made it. We're here in Denver. So now it's time to go ahead and turn up. Look at that Western. That's wild. That's a straight W. That is crazy. Clean as hell. Look at them washing them windows. Go on, get it. All right, guys, we made it. We in the hotel room. Look at that. Got a nice little picture right there. Bathroom. There go my FDA bed. Let's go. Look at that. Got some nice little artwork up in this thing. Stop playing with me, man. Look. We out here in Denver. Ooh, that's a nice little TV. Let's get it. I'm about to watch me some Netflix tonight. I like this. Expensive ass room without a mountain view. But that's cool, though. Yes, sir. Alrighty. We finna head on down and meet up with the boys real quick and get this GigCon weekend started. And that's what I like about it. Everything else is just regular fun. Cheers. Cheers. It's a B-roll burger. All right, guys, so we got the mountain view, skyline view. Look at that. This is the best view of the mountains I've had all day, too. It look like it's a whole bunch of clouds and mist over there. That is crazy. Denver is freaking beautiful. Look at that. Yes, sir. We made it, baby. We are in Denver for GigCon 2023. And man, the weather is great here. It's nice and sunny. I did my first plane ride ever. Everything's legal. Feeling good right now. So tonight what we got going on is we're gonna be heading to a Moves event. If you're not familiar with Moves, we're gonna be partnering with them very, very soon here on this channel. So be on the lookout for that. But basically we're gonna be having a little event to, you know, show appreciation to all the gig economy content creators that made it out here today for GigCon. This is the early pregame for GigCon. So we finna turn up. We're gonna go, we're gonna have some drinks, we're gonna chill, we're gonna eat some food, chop it up. You know what I'm saying, mingle a little bit and see what the hell going on. But man, it feels so good to be, you know, just traveling and doing something related to the YouTube channel in conjunction with the gig economy, guys. Look, if you got dreams out there, I'm here to tell you, chase them. Do what you got to do. If you like to, you know, trade stocks and edit videos like me, and you want to bet on yourself and you don't want to work a W-2 no more, go ahead, stick along for the journey, because I got some tips and tricks for you to help you out so you don't got to struggle a look like how I did in the beginning. But man, it's just great to be here, man. Shout out to my boy Pedro. I got to meet my boy Hannibal today. I met Zach Drives Fast today. I met Rolling with Red, AKA Gig Wars Official. I met Gary Middleton today. I done met a lot of folks. I done met Steve from Ride Share Rodeo. Shout out to Steve, the real gig news out there. I mean, it's just going down, guys. I had to step outside and light me something up. I say, damn, I'm having a good time out here. This is what's up, man. Like I said, it was my very first time on the airplane, guys. I was scared as hell. But I made it though. Everything is all good. We made it safely. Made it to the hotel, got my room. You know what I'm saying? We good, man. So I guess today and this weekend, and we just gonna take it from there. And the main point that you take away from all this is, you know, follow your dreams. I never thought I would be here this time last year, but guess what? I'm at GigCon 2023 and I cannot be stopped because I'm FDA. Now I'm sitting here talking to my phone, so I got these people over here looking at me all crazy, but guess what? I don't give a damn. You wanna know why? Because I'm FDA and I'm out here getting this YouTube money. So they can look at me like I'm crazy, but guess what? I am a little crazy. You gotta be a little crazy to sit up here and record yourself and talk to the camera every single day. But guess what? It's all good. I actually used to be camera shy, if you can believe it. I'm actually a shy individual. Being a content creator and doing this her vlog style series that we do on the FDA channel, it helped me open up. It's easy now, guys. It's easy for me to sit here and talk to the camera and holler at you, look you right up in your eyeball, let you know what's going on. If it's any consolation to anybody out there who is hesitant to become a content creator or you're nervous, go ahead, brush that off your shoulder, big dog, because you got this. And to all my haters out there, thank you for helping me get this far. The FDA channel and the FDA brand would never have made it this far if it wasn't for you guys. So I want to say a special shout out to my haters and just know I appreciate it. Now, I actually was able to join a Facebook DoorDash group in Denver. So the Courtyard Marriott over here on Colorado Boulevard, over here on Colorado Boulevard. Food, refreshments. We're gonna have a good time. And so there go the hotel right there. Nice hotel, very, very beautiful. We got lots of stuff around here. Gas station right there. It's about 5-10 places to eat down that way. The mountains, I believe, are down there, over there. So it's pretty nice out here, guys. If you ever been to Denver, Colorado, let me know in the chat where you like to go, what you like to visit when you out here. Maybe if I had time, I'll stop by. We're thinking about going up to the mountains tomorrow. I've never been to the mountains one day in my life. Let me know what's the first thing I should do when I get out there. This is how you know you FDA out here. You know what I'm saying? You out here in Denver, you doing your thing, right? That's why I like this one. See, I can keep it closed and do what I'm doing.